Hi, everyone. Over the next 2 days, we are going to be finishing our work in Unit 4 of Ready Reading, Craft and Structure in Literature. Today, you are going to read a poem, and you are going to use what you've learned in this unit to understand what you are reading. And as you are reading, I would like you to think about several things. I'd like you to think about literal and non-literal language. And I'd like you to think about the parts of stories, dramas or plays, and poems, and how those parts are similar. And again, stories have beginnings, middles, and ends. Dramas or plays have scenes and acts, and poems have verses and stanzas. I would also like you to think about your point of view as you are reading, and I'd like you to think about how it is the same or different from the narrator or the characters. So once we are done reading, we are going to come back together for any last minute questions, and then you will begin part 1 of the assessment on a Google form. All right, here we go. And this is page 270 in your Ready Reading material. This poem is entitled Squirrel, and you can see the byline here. It is by Mary Ann Hoberman from a book entitled A Little Book of Little Beasts. Starting with stanza 1, here we go. Gray squirrel, small beast, storing up a winter's feast, hides 100 nuts at least. Nook and cranny stocked with seed, tucked away for winter's need. Acorns stuck in hole and crack. Will he ever get them back? When the snow is piled up high and the year is at December, can he really still remember where he hid them in September? I have watched him from my window, and he always seems to know where the food he hid is waiting buried deep beneath the snow. And I wonder, do you wonder, how he knows where he must go? All right, let us start part 1 of the assessment.